Check. Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and we've just unboxed the LG Velvet. I've set up everything. I input in my Gmail, and I just really wanted to show you guys what comes installed. You can definitely see all the apps loading up. I did not do a backup, so this really proves what actually comes with the phone itself. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so the LG Velvet, I just really wanted to show you guys what comes installed as soon as you power it up if you do have the AT&T model. This might be different when it comes to different carrier models because it is rumored to have the Verizon version and a T-Mobile version. So this is the only one that's out at this current moment. So here's the type of apps you will get. So we have a whole bunch of apps here. So you can pause this and read it for yourself if you definitely can, if you guys want to see what it is with the home menu. But it looks like all the apps are on the front, so we did not set up the app drawer just yet. But as you guys can see, we have the Essentials, Calculator, Calendar, Clock, Contacts, Facebook, Booking.com, Visual Voicemail, Walmart, Final Fantasy, Pandora, Solitaire, Pop Slots. There's a whole bunch of different stuff that I did not have on my device. It's kind of weird that these would show up, but these are basically the bloatware if you do have the AT&T version, so you do have a lot of stuff to delete if you guys actually pick up the AT&T model. But I just really wanted to do a little bit of a run through of what apps you get. Let's see if you're able to delete them. Okay, so it looks like you could disable them, but you can't delete them when it comes to these AT&T ones, because I don't even have AT&T, but the people at LG were kind enough to send this out, so I will take whatever they can. They're saying hopefully this is unlocked. Let me get a little closer there. Alright, so it's a little bit hard to see because it's so bright, but I will try to adjust it in post. But this is basically what you get. Let's see what comes out the box. Alright, so let's just go into settings. You have the integrated search, learn how to do gestures. You can start that. Alright, let's just see what the settings look like when it comes to LG. They are getting better. It's a lot more cleaner than before, but let's just try to get into settings here. Alright, so you have your fingerprints, your always on display, my places, network internet, connected devices, sound, notification display, wallpaper and theme, lock screen and security. So you do have a in-display fingerprint sensor on this, which I forgot to say in the unboxing. But privacy, location, extensions, app, battery, storage. Let's go into storage and see what comes out the box when it comes to storage. We're using 31 gigs out the box, so there's 96 gigs that are free for you when you power this up without deleting the apps that actually come with the device when you power it on. But as you guys can see, there's a few apps that we do have to delete, and we'll definitely try to do that when we get the opportunity, like this HBO Max. You can install that one. Let's see the AT&T one more time. I think I glanced over it. Yeah, so you're able to disable that one, but you're not able to uninstall those. So this is basically what comes with the phone, guys. I just really wanted to show you exactly what comes out the box when it comes to your first setup with the LG Velvet. This is the camera settings, and I probably should have a video on all the camera settings when it comes to the Velvet as well. So if you guys like this quick video, hit it with a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the LG Velvet and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.